'03 Chevy Suburban. ABS light is on, and we are gonna see if we can figure out why. You're gonna find grounds here, right underneath the driver's side door, and we need to clean those. And under the front bumper on the driver's side, you're also going to find a ground right here. It's that bolt right there, and we can clean that one, and we'll start there. Got a 13. Okay, so you just get a wire brush, you clean that off there. Prefer something a little more robust. And then there's this one right here. Doesn't look too bad, but I'm still going to take it off and clean it. Okay, if we're lucky, that fixed it. And nope, comes right back on. So we will have to go a little deeper. Okay, we've got the front wheel off, and the ABS sensor is underneath this disc. So we need to take the caliper off in order to take the disc off and get to the ABS sensor. We're gonna have to remove this bolt, and we're gonna have to remove this bolt, and that will get the caliper off. This is 18. These are usually on there pretty good. Get them, loosen them up on there. Just don't get any on your pads. That's not good. You don't want any of that on your rotor. Loctite. That makes them so fun. Put those somewhere. It won't fall. Now, we're here. Okay, so on the front, everything is our sensor. Clean up all around there. I see that there's a crack right there. Might be bulging and not giving proper reading. Looks like a 3/16 Allen is fitting in there. There we go. Now look at all that crud on there. This is a sealed hub, so we don't want to get any crud in there. We just want to try to pull out any rust we can. As you can see down in there, that's where the splines are, and that magnet counts those go by. That's how it works. So everything looks pretty good. So we're going to put this back, and then we're going to see if we can measure frequency to see if it's actually working. So up here is where it's connected. Someone's already been messing with this because it used to have a factory plug on it. And if it had a factory plug on it, we could just unplug it and check it. As it is, it looks like they've got just these crimp connectors on there. Not too happy about. Okay, so I'm gonna take my voltmeter right there, see if you guys can see it. Put it on AC, alternating current. Put it on a really sensitive setting there. And we're going to put these on the leads. And with those there, I'm going to spin this. And as you see, there is no action whatsoever. I've got this loose here. I can try pushing it in and spinning it, pulling it out a little bit, spinning it. I get no action at all. So we're going to check continuity. I get no reading in continuity at all. It's just wide open. So this sensor is definitely bad. I'm not sure why someone cut the original plug off. That kind of makes me upset, but we'll get another one of these. And that's probably why our light's on. Since we got no reading at all from this sensor, the voltmeter, and it pretty much zeroed out on the ohms, it's dead. So I'm gonna replace it. It's got to be a puzzle. Surely they wouldn't do something like that. Surely. Oh, wow. That's how you get it out. See if we can get it back in. So I can remember that combo. Just like that. And make sure she's clean. Put that shim back on. Okay, so now we're going to test the new sensor with it in there. You can see it is working how it should. Got it on alternating current, and it shows some voltage when we spin the wheel. I'll hook this back up. So I don't want to splice this back in the way that somebody did. So I've got a new pigtail made up here, and I'm going to put this in line there and wire this in and do it this way. I have to just zip tie this where it stays out of the way. needs our plug right in this area here. So I'm going to want to tie this guy on. Go ahead and strip these off here. Oh boy, we have different colors. Okay, we know yellow goes to the black on this plug, and this new plug plugs in like so. So yellow needs to go to black. How confusing is that? Okay. So I'm all out of shrink wrap tubing, but I do have some liquid electric tape, which I'm going to fill these ends with so that moisture can't get in there. And I'll let that dry, and I'll tape it up and put it back in the conduit. Plug it in, we should be done. I'll put that up there to dry for now, so I can get this wheel put back on here.